Welcome to Crypto and Cafe. On today's episode, especially, I'm going to present you No Kuni. This is cool. This is a game that I intend to try and play. After we finish to record this video presentation, I'm going to install it in my computers and I'm going to create a video probably tomorrow or next week. So you're going to enjoy some video from me from No Kuni. This is outstanding. Great. I'm very happy to be able to try this nice game in the crypto spheres that's called No Kuni. So enjoy the show. Do not forget to subscribe, press the bell notification, and smash the like button. Yes, and enjoy the show. I am right now on the main page of No Kuni. Look this beautiful graphic, like anime style. It's very cool and say crown words. I'm very eager to try this game, and now I just wanted to present you the potential of the game with the information available on the website, and then after that I'm going to download the software and not the software but the game, and I'm going to install it on my computer, and then probably in the next few days I will make another video for the look and feel, the gameplay and stuff like that. And I probably, if I love the game, I will stick to it, and I'm going to produce more content like Mirror that I play on daily basis right now. But now another game I want to try on the Pi is No Kuni crosswords, a good game in the crypto space. As you can see, I'm going to play the video from the main page right from the way. So as you can see, you have 3 different versions for the PC versions, Google Play and App Store that you can play on your smartphone. So enjoy the video. On the first one here, it's take a while. It's a No Kuni official introduction video. Look this amazing graphic.
Thank you for participating in the Soul Divers closed beta test.
Oh, the beta test.
Are you ready to join me?
Yes. Nice. Now you can fight in a battlefield and No Kuni cross worlds. Look this amazing.
No Kuni
Crosswords. Battles. Woo! This is very nice. Oh, nice standing. No Kuni. Oh, that's awesome. Familiars.
Next, these partner familiars are eager to help you.
Oh, familiars, they help you to help you.
Familiars
He was like a spirit on me for
by your side.
familiars. Nice. Oh,
Discoveries await you on your adventure.
a big cat. Beautiful.
Travel the world on unique maps.
Oh, it's so cute. That's outstanding. Costumes. You can customize your familiars, the costumes, socials.
Express yourself by interacting with No Kuni Crossroads' unique social objects.
Ooh, this will be amazing.
In No Kuni Crossroads. We need
Oh,
your help,
yo,
adventurers.
yo.
Monsters are threatening adventurers everywhere.
Oh, yo.
To defeat powerful foes, you must
Wow,
work together.
this is outstanding. I'm very eager to try this outstanding game and the crypto space. Oh, the raid. Oh my god. Oh, yo. This will be great, cool. Oh, this will be amazing. I can't wait to try this game.
Are you ready to enter your exciting
Oh yes, I am
world?
ready. Yes. No Kuni Racer. As you can see, just from the beginning, from just the video of the introduction video, you want to play this game. This is authentic. Look this beautiful with the familiars, game anime game characters. So let's just try to go to game introductions, the world, to see exactly. So you're about to enter a brand new. So I'm going to click the world just to show you a look and feel. What is it exactly? So No Kuni crossword animation trailers. Look this beautiful, amazing storyline. Oh. So all tales begin. Outstanding. No Kuni crosswords. Oof. Something to try, something to play. This will be amazing, my friend. So peaceful drivers. So you get transported to another beautiful world. Ooh, what's going to happen? Oh my god, Ni no Kuni crossword animation trailer. Oh my god. Oof. So you get help from someone. Wow. An angel. This is amazing, my friend. Wow. The adventure of your dreams awaits. Here! Yeah! Oh, this is amazing. Big monster to fight, and the threat of destruction looms. Oh my god. This is amazing. Look, this insane graphic. Ni no Kuni. You want to play, right? You want to play. So stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel. Press the bell notification. And smash the like button for crypto and coffee and the crypto spheres. So, like, this is amazing. They have two worlds open, and then they meet in the another world, and a picture of two interwoven worlds. That's amazing, my friend. So Ni no Kuni Crossroad. So this is the game introduction, the story, the characters I'm going to play. So they have different kind of character. You have the engineer, you have the destroyers, they have the swordsman, you have the witch, and they have the rogue. I'm not quite sure which one I'm going to choose. Probably the engineer. Oh, probably the arbalist. Engineer would be great. I think I will try to use the engineer or the destroyers. I'm not quite sure. Swordsman. Probably the engineers will be great. So this is the 5 class you can play into the game. So next to the familiars, they have different kind of animal. So familiars, I'm going just to read the subtitle here. This warrior friends will share your adventure and Ni no Kuni crosswords. Find the warriors of Earth you just right. So they have different kind of familiars and different class. I'm not quite sure how this thing is work. They have the Pito. So they have different kind. You have Rombugtux. And they have Polaren. And I presume they have many more. Just a small presentation of the class of familiars. A Jabber as well. That's cool. Which one is it? Sparky. I'm not going to read. You can read on your own. You just need to go to access Ni no Kuni website. Ni no Kuni Penguin Corn. And they have the other one here. This called Hobgoblin. So as you can see, what you need to understand from familiars, this pet going to accompany you and your battles, give you probably some boost or something so that you to fight in the battlefields. This is cool. And the location, Easter Earthland. I'm just going to place the play so we know. Look, this amazing, beautiful graphic. Wow, this is the place where you can interact, move in this world. Ni no Kuni, this is cool. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button, press the bell notification, and subscribe. You can move around with your cats on it. For a lot of crypto and coffee. Look, this amazing. So I'm going to finish that because it's a repeat on autopilot. We go to the kingdom just to make sure. The kingdom, about the kingdom. I'm going to make it play. Look, the kingdom, my friend. Amazing graphic. Outstanding. Wow. Do. So you can even play music. Do. Wow. This is cool. So your players can move around. You all the players enjoy. Look. Very cool. So I'm going to finish that as well. We're going to check the customizations. So customize each tree and all roof colors. Oh, this is cool. I'm just going to play the video. So you can change the look and feel of the trees and stuff like that. So probably they have introduced seasons, stuff like that. Nice thing. Look. Very cool, huh? Nice graphic, yo. So we're just going to see the other part here. Defense. Save the kingdom from dangers. Play. Nice dragon. So they attack the wall. Oh, look at that, the battlefield. This is insane. I want to try. I'm eager to try this game. This will be cool. Oh, No Kuni. Oh, the big dragons. He's going to attack. Very nice. So this is another part. We're just going to see the relic wars. A fierce battle between kingdoms to claim powerful relics. So look, this amazing graphics. Outstanding. Will be outstanding to try this game, my friend. So, and you can predict that she's going to make some video about No Kuni and new features, because I'm going to install it today after recording this video, my friend, for you to enjoy on this outstanding channel, Crypto and Coffee. Don't forget to subscribe, press the notification, and smash the like button for the love and Crypto and Coffee. Woo! Amazing fireworks. So we just finished that stuff here. We're going to record as well the evasion. Just make sure what's taking. So emerge victors in an exciting fight between kingdoms. So we need to fight in the kingdom. Ooh, this is cool. Oh, we can dance. Oh, nice crystal. Nice music. That's cool. So they repeat, so I'm just going to close this one as well. Let's go to the last one, capital. One per server, only the best kingdom can become the capital. So the capitals where all the players can go and have fun. This is amazing. Oh, the dancing on the floor. That's cool. Very nice place. Capitals. Only one per servers. I'm not quite sure what is the meaning behind it so far, but for sure Chesatochi is going to play and discover all these parameters as well. So now, as you can see, I just cover all the block. They have the element of blockchain. I'm not going to press this, but this is just a small introduction about No Kuni, and in the next video I'm going to immerse myself into this world and present you the battlefields, what I'm learning so far in the game. So thank you so much for watching the video until now on this small show about No Kuni. Thank you so much. Smash the like button, press the bell notification, and subscribe. And see you on the next video. And have a great day, my friend. Thank you so much.